morning, children. In this class, we are going to discuss about Cricket 2020. Okay, this is basically a quiz which is given on your page 48. So there are some questions. I'm going to show you the answers as well. Just let us explore how much you know about 2020 cricket matches. I'm going to show you the questions. You have to take one notebook along with me. You have to write down the answers. Okay, and I'll show you the correct ones. Who was India's first captain in T20 internationals? Just listen to the question again. Who was India's first captain in T20 internationals? It was Virendra Sehwag, MS Dhoni, or Rahul Dravid. Which, according to you, is the correct answer? Just write down. Virendra Sehwag is the correct answer. Virendra Sehwag was the first Indian captain in the T20 internationals. Okay, in the T20 internationals, Virendra Sehwag was the first Indian captain. Next question is, what is the maximum number of overs a bowler can bowl in a T20 match? In a T20 match, a bowler can bowl up to what number of overs? So, write down the answer which is correct according to you. It is 4, 5, or 10. Write down the answer in the notebook. And the correct answer is 4. That means up to 4 overs a bowler can bowl in a T20 match. Maximum up to 4 overs only. That means one single bowler can bowl up to 4 overs in a T20 match. Okay, so first one, A, is the correct answer. Next we have, what is the minimum number of overs required to be faced by each team for a match to be deemed played? So, the question I repeat, what is the minimum number of overs required to be faced by each team for a match to be deemed played? So, uh, the correct answer is 5. 5 is the minimum number of overs that the teams require to play uh, each team, okay, to for the match to be deemed played. Fine. Next question we have, which country won the first T20 World Cup in 2007? First T20 World Cup. We are talking about the World Cup which held in 2007. Which was the first country? It was England, India, or Pakistan. A correct answer is India. India was the first country to win T20 World Cup in 2007, and it was the main the captain. It was under the captainship of Mahendra Singh Dhoni ji. So India was the first country. Next we have, if the umpire feels that the fielding side is wasting time on the field, how many penalty runs can be awarded to the batting side? If the umpire, who is the judge over there on the field, if he feels that the fielding side is wasting time on the field, then how many penalty runs can be awarded to the batting side? 5. The number of runs that can be awarded to the batting side in case the umpire feels that the fielding side is wasting time, then the 5 runs can be awarded to the batting side. Okay, so the correct answer is 5. Next we have, which country invented the T20 cricket format? Which country invented, first of all, you should know which country started, which cricket started with England. Okay, so the country that invented the cricket format is also in England. So the correct answer is England. England is the country which invented the T20 cricket format. Okay, so the as it started with England only, cricket was played in England initially. Later on, it became the sports for all the countries. Next question is, between which two countries was the first ever T20 international match played in 2005? In the year 2005, which T20 international match was played by between which two countries? And the correct answer is between Australia and New Zealand. So, um, between Australia and New Zealand, first T20 international match was played in the year 2005. You need to remember the year also. The year was 2005 and it was the first ever international match played. Next, we have which team became the 2016 ICC Women World T20 champion? This is interesting question. We are talking about the ICC Women World 2020 champion. Which country? Whether it was West Indies, Australia, or Sri Lanka. And the correct answer is West Indies. So the team which became the 2016 ICC Women World 2020 champion was of West Indies. W for women, W for West Indies. This is actually a shortcut you can remember. So West Indies is the first team. Next we have who was declared the player of the series in the 2016 T20 World Cup. In the 2016 in the series in 2016 2020 World Cup, which person was declared as the player of the series? Player of the series was Virat Kohli. You must be remembering. So the correct answer is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli was the player of the series in the year 2016 2020 World Cup. You need to remember the name. Virat Kohli belongs to Indian cricket team. So because of his excellent game, he was the player of the series. Tidbits. Sri Lanka has an interesting record in T20 championships. In 2007, it defeated Kenya by a record margin of 172 runs, but lost to Australia by a record of 10 wickets in the same tournament. Okay, so this is an interesting record. So just go through the video once more. Just go through the questions. If you have any problem, just leave.